Hello students, welcome to third session of graph theory. This is the third session of unit 1. In this session we study about complete regular and null graphs. Complete graphs. Definition: a simple graph in which every pair of vertices incident with an edge is called a complete graph. Examples of complete graphs of 2, 3, 4 and 5 vertices. In a complete graph of two vertices, we have each vertex is of degree 1 and the number of edges is 1 here. In a complete graph of three vertices, each vertex is of degree 2 and there are total 3 edges. In complete graph of four vertices, each vertex is of degree 3 and there are total 6 edges. In complete graph of 5 vertices, each vertex is of degree 4 and there are total 10 edges. So we have the result. A complete graph of n vertices has n into n minus 1 by 2 edges and each vertex is of degree n minus 1. Students, if you have given a complete graph of 10 vertices, then the number of edges in the complete graph of 10 vertices is 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2, that is 10 into 9 by 2, 90 by 2, that is 45 edges. And each vertex is of degree 10 minus 1, that is 9. Definition of regular graphs. A graph in which all vertices are of equal degree is called a regular graph. Example of a regular graph of order 3. Here see, this is a graph with each vertex has the same degree 3. Here see, this vertex has 3 edges incident on it, so it is of degree 3. Here also 3 edges incident. Here 3 edges incident. Here also 3 edges incident. So all the vertices have the same degree 3. So this graph is called 3 regular graph. Isolated and pendant vertices. Now definition of an isolated vertex. A vertex having no edge incident on it is called an isolated vertex. Or an isolated vertex is a vertex with 0 degree. Now definition of a pendant vertex. A vertex of degree 1 is called a pendant vertex, or pendant vertex is a vertex with one edge incident on it. Now consider the graph. Here this is a graph with 7 vertices. Here V7 is a vertex with no edge incident on it. So V7 is with 0 degree and it is an isolated vertex. Now consider V3. V3 has only one edge incident on it, so its degree is 1. So V3 is a pendant vertex. Now we have a note. Two adjacent edges are said to be in series if their common vertex is of degree 2. For example, the two edges incident on vertex V1 are in series. Now definition of a null graph. In the definition of a graph G equal to VE, it is possible for the edge set E to be empty. Vertex set V must not be empty. Such a graph without any edges is called a null graph. In other words, every vertex in a null graph is an isolated vertex. Now, the graph shows the null graph of 4 vertices. Students, thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.